Okay, moving on to problem number 4. Guys, problem number 4 is actually one of the easier questions that is one of the most missed problems on the STAAR test year in and year out. Why? It's because we don't want to read. We don't want to read. We see a bunch of words and we get discouraged and we just move right along and we just guess. Guys, I promise you, this is an easy problem, but you have to read. With that being said, let's jump into it. It says Jason Daughtry is considering employment with 2 different companies. Wilson Entertainment is offering a salary of $38,000 with a yearly increase of $2,600 per year. Amusement and More is offering a salary of $42,000 with a yearly increase of $1,600 per year. Which equation can be used to find X, the number of years it will take Jason to make the same amount of money from each company? Okay, so let's go back and let's highlight what's important. It wants us to choose an equation that can use to find X. The number of years it will take for Jason to make the same amount of money from each company. Okay, that's what it wants. It wants an equation. It's not asking us to solve the equation. It wants us to write its equation. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and we're going to look at the company's offers. So Wilson Entertainment is offering $38,000. That's the salary. $38,000 salary. That means he's going to make that no matter what. It's coming to him. It's coming. Okay, with the increase, that means I'm going to plus that. It's going to be added in addition to $2,600 per year. When I see a word per or the word each, I know right away that I need to put an X through those words. Why? Because believe it or not, that is what keys me on what is the slope. If this was a slope problem, per would have an X through it and I would have a slope of 2,600. The word increase means plus. It's in addition to. So I'm going to have 3,800 plus 2,600X. Okay, let's keep going. Amusement and More is offering a salary of $42,000 with a yearly increase of $1,600 per year. Same thing, I have the word increase. I need to put a plus through that. And then I have the word per. I need to put an X through that. Because I want them to be equal to each other, because I want to see how long it's going to take for them to have the same amount of money from each company, there needs to be an equal between them. So let's write our equation. Our equation is going to be 2,600x plus $38,000. And we want that to be equal to 1,600x plus $42,000. Okay? Using the keywords, we were able to create an equation and set it equal to each other. Okay? So the answer for this problem, although it's written just a little bit different, is going to be letter J. Let's go ahead and let's underline that. Okay. Again, guys, this is easy. We can do it. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next one. Peace.